Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix likes problem on Instagram feed. It's easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just try to restart your phone or try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next method. Now go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then apps again, and now just type here type Freights, click force stop, go to storage and clear cache, and now your problem must be fixed. Just try again, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.